Hi everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 digital marketing institutes in Brisbane. So the first institute in my list is IIM Skills, which is one of the best institutes to offer their digital marketing courses, and it was founded by Mr. Webb of Cuckad in 2015. So they offer 3 digital marketing courses: the Digital Marketing Master course, the Digital Marketing Expert course, and the Digital Marketing Strategist course, the average duration of which is about 6 months and the fees is about $700. Now the best part about this course is that they offer full refund if you do not like something about the course. You just have to write them a detailed email on what you don't like about the course and they will give you a full refund. How amazing is that? They also give you a free lifetime access to their resources and materials once you enroll in the course, which means that if anything changes in the digital marketing world after a few months or a few years, you will still have access to it. And they also provide 15 plus certifications from top organizations like Google, Facebook Blueprint, etc. Now the next institute in my list is DMI, which is the Digital Marketing Institute. Now this is one of the most renowned and top rated institutes to provide their digital marketing courses. So they offer 2 digital marketing courses. One is a PG in digital marketing and the other is a master's in digital marketing. The average fees of these courses is about $1,400 to $11,000. Now they provide a globally recognized certificate and also a 14-day guarantee, which means that if within 14 days of enrollment in the course you don't like anything about the course, you can get a full refund. Now the next institute in my list is Simply Learn. Now this is one of the top renowned institutes to provide their digital marketing course, and they provide 2 digital marketing course. The first one is the PG in digital marketing and the second one is a digital marketing specialist course. Now the average duration of these courses is about 8 months and the fees is approximately between $600 to $1,200. They also provide hands-on practical experience to their students so that they can be job ready by the end of this course. Now the next institute in my list is Great Learning, which is truly one of the great institutes to learn digital marketing from. Now they offer a PG in strategic digital marketing course, and the average duration of this course is about 6 months and the fees is approximately $1,500. Now they provide live and online interactive classes with hands-on practical approach and also a lot of real life case studies so that the students have good practical knowledge rather than just theoretical knowledge about digital marketing. And they also provide services such as resume building, portfolio building, mock interviews, etc. Now the last but not the least institute in my list is MICA, which is one of the best institutes to provide their digital marketing course, and they are in a collaboration with Upgrad and they provide their advanced certification in digital marketing and communication, and the duration of their course is about 8 to 12 months with a fees of approximately $1,100. They provide best-in-class content with leading faculty and great industry experts, and they also provide services such as mock interview, personalized feedback, and resume building, etc. so that the students can be job ready by the end of their course and they can be confident enough to go out in the world, give interviews, and crack a job. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with more such information. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.